Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about static indeterminacy. This is one of the major important where students face problem to find out the static indeterminacy. Here I will explain you detailedly how to find static indeterminacy. First of all we should know about what are the equilibrium conditions. The three equilibrium conditions are sigma fx equal to 0, sigma fy equal to 0, sigma mz equal to 0. This F equal to 0 is nothing but all the forces in the horizontal direction is 0, and sigma Fi all the forces in the vertical direction is 0, and all the moments are 0 sigma mz. Okay, one of the major formula we use here static indeterminacy is static indeterminacy equal to reactions minus equilibrium conditions. These three are the equilibrium conditions. So first we better you will understand with the following examples. So let us consider one of the beam element. This is the element we have shown, and this is the loading, and this is the another one 50. This is the roller supports, and this is the fixed element. Okay, now we will find static indeterminacy of this structure. And the first static indeterminacy in the first step is we have to find out the number of reactions. For here, this fixed element has three reactions, R1, R2 and R3, and this roller has two reactions, R4 and R5. So static indeterminacy of this above structure is reactions minus equilibrium conditions. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. This is how we have to find out the static indeterminacy of a beam. Now we'll go for the second is truss. We have to find out the static indeterminacy of the truss. This is a simple truss. This is the pin support, and this is a roller. Okay, in finding out the static indeterminacy of truss, we have to find out two indeterminacies. One is external indeterminacy, and other one is internal indeterminacy. External indeterminacy. This internal indeterminacy corresponding to external reactions. This is same formula is used here. Use here external indeterminacy equal to number of reactions minus equilibrium conditions. So number of reactions are 3. For this element there are 2 reactions, plus for this element there is one more reaction. So 3 reactions minus equilibrium conditions, 3 equal to 0. So external indeterminacy equal to 0. Next we'll go for internal indeterminacy. Internal indeterminacy is we have to find out by the help of number of joints. There are 4 joints, 1 2 3 4 joints, and elements are 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements. So the basic formula used here is 2j minus 3. Here j means number of joints. There are 1 2 3 4 joints. 2 into 4 minus 3 equal to 5. Number of elements equal to 6. So indeterminacy equal to 6 minus 5 equal to 1. So there is 1 degree of internal indeterminacy. So total static indeterminacy equal to 0 degree of external indeterminacy plus degree of internal indeterminacy equal to 1. We will go for one more example. This is a simple truss and it's a pin joints. We are okay. We have to first we will find this is a roller. Internal indeterminacy. The internal indeterminacy this joint is equal to 2j minus 3 equal to 9. Here j means number of joints, 6 joints, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2j minus 3 equal to 9. 2 into 6 minus 3 equal to 9. So number of elements are 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So number of elements equal to 9. Internal static indeterminacy equal to 9 minus number of elements 9 equal to 0, and external indeterminacy equal to 3 minus 3. These are 3 reactions, 1 2 and 3. These 3 minus 3 equilibrium conditions equal to 0. So total degree of static indeterminacy is 0. Now we'll go for frames. This is a simple frame I have shown here, and this is one more other frame. And the frame, generally the frames also can be calculated in the above like beams, but I will give you a better formula than in the regarding frames. This formula is basically never used anywhere. Rarely use this formula, but this is very easy and very good formula. So we'll consider this as an example. This is a frame we consider about, and the general formula is number of cuts into 3 plus all reactions minus 3. This is the basic formula. I will explain you detailedly what is the number of cuts and all reactions. Okay, let us consider this example. Here these all the are closed ones. These two are closed ones, and this is a fixed support, pin support and roller. So we will cut into two pieces and we'll count the cuts. We'll open the structure in, we'll actually, what is the thing is, we have to open the structure. This is the one cut we can make here to open these two, and here one more cut we can make here, and we can cut here also, but we should not cut these elements because there will be no continuity between the structure, and this entire frame is equal to one frame, so there should be continuity between the frames. There should be continuity between the frames, and all the cuts should be taken, and this is one cut, two cut, and here we will not cut, so the frame will be generally like this. Here this is the way the frame looks after cut, and here the frame is continuous at this part and this part. These three are continuous, looks like frame, and the other continuous frames are cutted, and this is one cut and this is two cut. So degree of static indeterminacy equal to number of cuts 2 1 2 2 into 3 plus all reactions. Here these are the fix, pin and roller. Fix has three reactions, pin has 2 and roller has 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. All reaction 6 minus 3 equilibrium conditions. Sigma fx equal to 0, sigma fy equal to 0, and the moment equal to 0, equal to 9. This is how we'll proceed for the frames, and this formula is used anywhere and is simple and use. Okay, thank you for watching this.